To change or add profile picture to your Quora account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change or add profile picture to your Quora account easy and fast. First thing, go to the app of Quora. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner right here and click on your profile picture, and now click on your profile picture again right here, and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options, but you have to choose edit profile option right here, and here you go. Now right here just click on edit photo from here, and you will be able to change it in less than 1 minute. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.